Hi. In the last video, we learned about factorization of algebraic expression and saw a few examples. Now, let us learn how to perform division of algebraic expressions. We will see how to divide one algebraic expression by another. But before that, let me explain basic division using numbers, right? And then we will follow the same process for algebraic expressions as well. Let us take a simple example. Here we are dividing 33 by 3. Okay. Here 33 is a numerator and 3 is a denominator. Okay. And this can be written as 33 upon 3. Right. Here we will write 33 in such a way that we can separate out 3 from it. So we will write 33 as a multiple of 3. 33 is equal to 3 multiplied by 11, right? Now let us divide 33 by 3. So as we have seen 33 upon 3. This is how we write 33 divided by 3, and this is equal to 33 can be written as 3 multiplied by 11, and at the denominator's place we have 3. Okay. Here 3 is common in numerator and denominator both, right? So it will cancel each other. 3 and 3 will cancel each other, and the final answer is 11. Okay. In the similar way, we can perform division on algebraic expressions as well. For example, 20y cube divided by 2y. Here, 20y cube is a numerator and 2y is denominator, right? So we will write 20y cube in such a way that we can separate out 2y from it. So 20y cube is equal to 2y multiplied by 10y square. So now let us write it in division form, that is in numerator and denominator form. So 20y cube we have at the numerator's place and 2y we have at the denominator's place, right? 20y cube, as we have seen, it can be written as 2y multiplied by 10y square. 10y square, and at the denominator's place we have 2y. Okay. So here also we have 2y in numerator and 2y in the denominator both, right? So the similar term 2y will cancel each other, and the final answer is 10y square. Okay. So when we divide 20y cube by 2y, we get 10y square. Okay, so shall we take one more example? In this example, we are dividing 12x cube y square by 3xy, right? Here 12x cube y square is numerator and 3xy is denominator. Okay, so we will write numerator, that is 12x cube y square, in such a way that it can separate out 3xy completely. Here 12x cube y square, this is equal to 3xy. I am separating out 3xy because we have 3xy in the denominator also. So 3xy from numerator and denominator will cancel each other, and what we'll get is the final answer, right? This is multiplied by 4x square y, right? In this example, we can see that the denominator 3xy, right? This 3xy, and here also 3xy, it can be separated completely from the numerator. But there will be cases where the denominator cannot be seen as a direct multiple of the numerator, right? We will discuss those in later examples. For now, I have taken a simple example to help you understand the process clearly. Okay, now let us write the division in numerator and denominator way. This is equal to 12x cube y square divided by 3xy, right? And this is what we have written. This is equal to 3xy multiplied by 4x square y, right? and at the denominator's place we have 3xy, right? So here 3xy is common in both the numerator and denominator. So in division it will cancel each other, right? Therefore our final answer is 4x square y. Okay, let us see what we have learned in this lesson. So when dividing algebraic expressions, we need to write the numerator as a multiple of the denominator, and this is what we have seen in our last two examples. Then the second step would be to cancel out the common factors, and later we need to simplify the remaining expression to get the final result, right? So hope you understood division of algebraic expression. In my next video, I will bring more examples. Thank you for watching.